To create an invisible button in Unity, we need to create a regular button, delete the text, and set the color alpha in UI sprite to 0. Okay, so alpha 0, the button is still there, and to check if it works, I created this simple method called click, which executes basically a debug log. Click it. Okay, so I'm gonna attach this script to the main camera, add a method here, which is the method we created, click, and go to the console, play, and click the button. So it works. Okay, invisible button, basically just because it's just the alpha set to 0, it still works. Okay, so alpha 0, invisible button. I hope this helps creating your game.